Okay, boys. A little bit of update on the Turbo Sierra Sucre build. I've been playing around with the fuel trims a little bit. There's quite a bit that I got to learn about this HP tuner stuff. I'm just not familiar with it enough. I don't mess with it enough. Usually Holley's the only thing I screw around with. Anyway, I got it to run a little bit better. I used some of Happel's settings for like the airflow measurement. I don't know. I guess somehow it needs to, it can tell that there's too much air coming into the motor, and it was putting it into to reduce engine power like almost immediately, like 0.3 pounds of boost. And again, I'm not even running any boost. I just was trying to get some of it dialed in. Anyway, I got it running okay. I was sitting in the shop the other day, just messing with it a little bit here and there, and I noticed that I had like 8 psi of oil pressure at idle, at a hot idle. It was like coolant temp was like 190, sitting in the shop. And yeah, the oil pressure was absolutely tanking. So it wasn't making any noise, any noticeable noise. It wasn't, you know, it didn't have like a collapsed lifter, or didn't have a rod coming out of the block sound to it. So I popped the oil pan off, and sure enough, it is definitely eating a bearing of some degree. I can't really tell exactly where it's coming from, but the oil pickup was completely clogged with this pasty, disgusting material. This kind of like the consistency of anti-seize, but obviously it had some level of magnetic properties because it was all stuck to the magnet on the drain pan. So as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it's a big old ball of stuff stuck to the magnet again. So anyway, yeah, obviously there's something going on with this 5.3. Kind of sucks, puts me behind schedule a little bit. I don't know, I have no idea what it is. All the lifters that I could see from the bottom of the motor, none of them are turned. Anyway, I just figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. What I'm gonna do next is, I have a customer's car that I have to do some work to. I'm gonna focus on that, and I'll probably end up just buying a cam, some springs, and firing it into the 4.8 that was in this truck originally. It's a 06 motor, it's got 125,000 miles on it. It's a virgin prime race motor in my opinion. Is there a big difference? Probably not. Maybe I'll just buy a similar cam, or maybe the best cam might be a good option for the 4.8. I don't want to lose too much torque. It is a big heavy truck, but I think the Wu-Tang War Whistle will make up for the torque problem. Anyway, figured I'd give you guys a quick update where I am. I'm gonna press pause on the build for now, and focus on another car at the moment, and we'll go from there.